Welcome to the tutorial to create a navigation log entry in YachtsApp. Start by opening your vessel and tapping the green quick action button, then select log entries. Choose navigation log. If needed, you can change the date and time for a late entry or leave the current date and time. Add your notes, like where you're headed, what you're doing, and anything important for the day. If you prefer, you can also update engine and generator hours right from the screen. This will automatically update the maintenance schedule for these systems. Once you're done completing all of this information, scroll down to capture your location and pick the coordinate format you prefer. If your vessel uses signed logs, you can sign the entry before saving. Add any attachments or photos if you'd like, then tap Save to finish. Side note, you can set up hourly reminders in the vessel settings for these entries.